YouTube family, how are you today? I surely hope you had a wonderful day. Today is Friday, and I am getting ready to do something that I should have done a long time ago. I've been thinking about it like all summer long to clean my granite and polish it and seal it and all that stuff. There's so many steps, it's like, oh my goodness. I am tired of putting it aside. And today I decided that I will go ahead and get it done, get it done, get it done. Yes. So I am back with another video. I am going to be cleaning all of my granite surfaces and the center island and this little mail station. I think it would have been a coffee station if I was a coffee drinker. I don't really know. But anyway, I'll call this the mail station because this is where the telephone, this is where we keep the telephone and the mail. And yeah, so that's why I earned that name. So I am preparing to get into the fall season. I started a little teeny bit in my dining room, some sprinkles of fall along my table scape. And so now I want to move into my other rooms. And I felt that I needed to start in my kitchen first. I did not want to take any longer to get to cleaning and sealing my granite because it should be done every 6 months, but I'm not there yet. I think I only did it twice, and our kitchen's been renovated maybe for 3 years now. I'm telling on myself. But anyway, I'm going to get it done today. Yes, this is a Get It Done Friday. Like, what's his name on Reach Gospel? Larry Hunter. He said, this is Get It Done Friday, or whatever he said. But anyway, yes, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to show bits and pieces of me cleaning in different areas because I know that's kind of boring, watching people clean. But if you should happen to get motivated and inspired to clean up an area that you've been putting off, like forever, jump on in and have some fun, okay? You are hanging out with Brenda Lee, that's me, and the name of my channel is Beautifully Curated Designs. Yes. So I thank you to all my YouTube family. I am so very grateful for you, the ones who continue to come back video after video. And I am grateful for my new subscribers and the ones who have not subscribed yet. Do me a favor, take out a second and hit that subscribe button, the like button, share a comment, and the notification bell. And also, if you like these types of videos, clean with me, shopping hauls, decorate with me. What else? Can't think of. But anyway, all those things that have to do with beautifying your home, please share with your friends, okay? So that they can maybe get a few little tips and ideas here and there, okay? Thank you so much for cooperating. I really do appreciate it, okay? Now I'm going to jump into this video. Yeah, a while ago, when I was doing a clean with me and decorate with me video, I was saying how I like to spray into my cloth instead of having to spray go all over the place. So this way it's a little more contained. So that's a little tip you can use if you prefer. Yeah, I said that I have not cleaned my granite surfaces in a long time, meaning that I have not used these different products as I should. I just clean them off with the dish rag. Yeah, because this is a process, as you can tell, right? Yeah, because when you start putting on the sealer and the polisher, you have to wait a certain time limit, then get back to it and all of that. And then wait a certain time limit in order to start using the surfaces again. So, I don't know. But anyway, I'm getting it done today, okay? almost made a boo-boo. I was grabbing the polish second, right, as my step 2, but I need to apply the sealer. I wish it had number 1, number 2, number 3. It should say it somewhere on the bottom, right? But anyway, it says for maximum protection, wait 20 minutes between applications and repeat 2 to 3 times. Do you see why it took me so long to get around to this? What a time consumer. But it's worth it. OMG. So my cleanup rags, they look a little linty. So it says use paper towel or cleanup rag, a lint-free cleanup rag. So they look a little linty. I'm not going to deal with them. But it says spray it on the surface. So instead of spraying it into the paper towel like I would rather do, I'm going to spray it into the surface. Like so. Now, here, as you can see, I'm applying my second coat of the sealer. Then I'll have to wait 20 minutes before the last application is applied. Child, I can't wait. It's getting late and I am tired. I'll be so glad when I am done because this is wearing me out. So, of course, it's your choice, right? How many times you would like to apply these different products. But the reason I'm applying 3 applications is because my countertops are pretty thirsty, child. Since it's been such a long time ago that they tasted this sealer around these parts, oh, they need extra sealer, extra polish, extra everything. So after I complete the third step with the polish, tomorrow I have to wait that 24-hour period. Come to think of it, I'm not even sure when I got started. You know what? I'll just do it in the evening to be on the safe side. And then that will be the last step. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post a clean with me video after this one and a quick fall haul video before I start sprinkling my fall decor throughout my kitchen vignettes. And then I'll continue throughout the rest of my downstairs spaces. So do stay tuned so that you do not miss out on the other videos that are coming up, okay? In fact, you might want to hit the notification bell, and then that way you'll be notified when my videos come up. Now, most YouTubers, they say hit the notification bell 2 times. I don't know. I don't know how that works, but if you remember, hit the notification bell. All right, T? Okay. Talk to you soon. Woo! I don't like the way this product smell. This is a lot stronger than the other 2 products that I used. So yeah, be sure to put on a mask and use some gloves too, because there's a lot of chemicals using all these different products. Yeah, just be on the safe side. Wow, let me put the window up. One moment, please. Now I'm getting a little disappointed with this polish because I am like rubbing and scrubbing my heart out. And this seems to be giving my countertop a hazy look. Now, before I started, once I finished with the sealer, my countertops had a little sheen to them. But now, I don't know about this polish. I don't like the way this is looking. I hope that it dissipates. Not sure if I have to do it again, like, add some more polish and keep wiping and buffing and all that good stuff again or not. But this is not looking good to me. I don't remember the last time when I did this process, how the countertops turned out. But they didn't stay that way, of course. Because, like, even though, I would wipe them down with my dish rag and stuff like that, they would still have a little sheen to them after it dried off. So I'm not sure what's going on here. But a sister is a little disappointed because this is a lot of hard work. My goodness. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm finished. I'm ready to go to bed. I thank you all for staying to the end of the video. And I hope that somebody got motivated to take care of their countertops because they definitely need taken care of. And I hope that I will not wait as long as I did this time. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I would really appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Good night.